Greetings friends and welcome back. Today is day 5 of my 25 Days of Christmas series. Today's look is inspired by the Heat Miser. I was not gonna do my hair and paint my nose red. Sorry to disappoint the fans. So it's been a rough first 5 days. As many of you already know, I've had a lot of technical issues. It's been a really frustrating process because it's a battle every time I try to upload one of these videos. Today's a brand new day, I have a clear mind about it, and I'm just ready to carry on, and whatever the internet wants to fight me on, oh well. So thanks for sticking around through all the trials and tribulations of this series. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep on watching and I'll see you at the end. Hi. I have an idea of how this look is gonna go, but who really knows? I also just realized for the first time that he has the creepiest little hands I've ever seen, and he's only got 4 fingers. Hello? He's got creepy little hands. So, in any case, I'm just gonna try and do something that emulates that aesthetic. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes and then we'll get started. Now it's time to get our Heat Miser on. I have a couple palettes that I'm using for this. One is the Life's a Drag palette for that yellow. The Pure Cosmetics My Little Pony palette for that red. And then the Morphe 3502 palette. Just for the whole thing. I'm gonna start with the Morphe 3502 palette using this shade right here on the outer and inner corners. Then going in with a Morphe, what are you? A Morphe Y19 brush. I'm gonna take the yellow shade out of the Life's a Drag palette, Campy, and use that with a really light hand to kind of blend that edge out. Next, taking a Wet n Wild shadow brush and this shade here, I'm just gonna basically do the same thing I just did, pack that on the outer and inner thirds, and then we'll blend it out. And then taking that same Y19 brush and a little bit of that yellow. Now taking that same kind of orangey red shade that we just used, I'm going to take a Morphe pencil brush and actually buff that in the inner crease area, I guess. I just want to deepen up right under that brow. Next I'm going to take a BH Cosmetics kind of packing shadow brush and the red out of this palette, and I'm just going to start packing that on the outer and inner thirds. And then going in with our Y19 brush again. Alright, for the middle portion of the lid, I'm going to take the shade Campy. I'm going to take our original orange shade out of the Morphe 3502 palette and just use that to blend the edge of the yellow. Then I'm going to go back in with some of that yellow. Now I'm going to go back in to my red shade, just once again pack some of that on the outer third. And then taking our brush that we used with the orange on it, taking another fluffy brush, I'm going to dip back into Campy and use that to blend out the edge of the entire look. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation and my brows on, and then we'll finish up the face together and then finish up the eyes. Go team. Alright, so my foundation, brows, and contour are on. For my blush, I'm gonna use the Cocktail Party Blush Trio by Anastasia. Blush is the scariest part of my day.
Whatever happened to the rest of the year?
For highlight, I'm taking the Anastasia Aurora palette. What else is new? And I'm gonna take the shade Lyra.
It went by so fast, I barely did see it.
Is that glitter? You know, you use glitter once and then it's just everywhere. Alright, for the lower lash line, I'm going to start off taking, I don't even know, Tempest Shadow. Oh, it's a dramatic name. And I'm just going to start, I want this all over the whole lower lash line? I think so. Alright, and we're just going to drag that across the whole lower lash line. Alright, I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush by It Cosmetics and our yellow and blend out that edge. I'm going to take the Urban Decay Bad Blood lip liner and just put that in the waterline. So I just went ahead and tight lined my upper lash line and threw on a coat of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my falsies and then we'll finish up the look. So for the lips, even though they don't want a liquid lipstick, they're just gonna have to suck it up. I'm gonna use the Melted Matte in the shade Lady Balls. This is my favorite red, possibly of all time. Alright, and that concludes the look. If you like what you see or you learned something new, please leave a like or drop a comment down below. If you have not already, please subscribe. Still got a ways to go here, so if you'd like to keep up with my series, please subscribe. I have created a playlist for this series, so if there's any videos that you missed or you want to tell your friends to binge the series, I will have that linked below, and I'm going to add the link into all of my previous videos so you'll be able to catch up on anything you missed at any point in time. And that's all I got, I think. So, I will see you tomorrow. A wet and... Oh my god, I forgot I got my smoothie. They're crusty. Applying them with no eyeliner on. Applying them with no eyeliner. Can I say the word eyeliner? They said on my upper and lower lash line. I'm too much.